I'm Ken Engel. I'm the Executive Vice President and co-founder of Saberpoint. We're an IT consulting company, and we specialize in the manufacturing industry, and just wanted to share a unique success story that we had. We had one particular company, which was a chocolate manufacturing company, and they struggled with old machinery and were having problems really addressing waste and shortages. What we were able to do was create what is called an IoT, or Internet of Things solution, to really create sensors that were able to essentially do the counting that they could not do prior. This led to them reducing costs and improving their profitability. But the more exciting piece to this is that we ultimately became a trusted advisor, which led to us providing ERP for the company and really taking care of their overall operations. It was a great success story, and we have since rinsed and repeated this with other companies very, very similar. Thanks.